Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I love when I find what I've been searching for. I have really fallen in love with this Gilden Tree Soothing Hand and Body Lotion. As you can see, it's a Kiran Forest scent, and that is a great, very light, botanical, kind of unisex scent. So even my husband will use it because it's not too girly. As you can see, the ingredients are incredible. It's got healing aloe vera, jojoba, shea butter, lots more that are wonderful, all organic, just a wonderful overall high quality lotion. I love this texture. It's a light moisturizing texture that really does soak in and does its job. It doesn't just stay on top and stay greasy, so I love that. I will use it on my entire body. I do leave it by my sink so that I am reminded to use it on my crepey hands, but I also use it on my dry elbows. I love to use it on my legs, everywhere. I do love that it absolutely just smells good, it feels good, it's going to heal all your rough, bumpy, flaky skin. It's going to soothe redness because of the aloe vera. As you can see, the difference of my hands. This one still looks pretty crepey, but the one that I used it on looks soft and subtle. I love that. And like on my legs, I can use it directly after shaving, no burning, because it's just amazing ingredients. Overall, I can't say enough. So as someone with chronically dry skin, I love when I find a good lotion that does exactly what it says. And this Gilden Tree Soothing Hand and Body Lotion does just that. It soothes my dry skin. I love that it's made from all organic ingredients. It's definitely going to be a staple in my house. I love this lotion, and that is my point of view.